If you love a Zuppa Toscana from Olive Garden, you're going to want to watch this episode because I'm going to show you how to make it. It's a really simple recipe. In a large pot over about medium heat, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, and then you're going to add in your favorite sausage. I like just a mild Italian sausage. Just need 1 pound. I love this tool. It's called a meat masher, and it makes really quick work of crumbling up any kind of sticky meat, especially sausage. So get that browned through, and then you're gonna drain off any excess grease so that your soup doesn't end up greasy. Add in 1 chopped yellow onion and 3 garlic cloves that have been minced. Get that sauteing for just a few minutes until the onion's starting to soften and become translucent. Then you're gonna add in 6 cups of chicken stock or chicken broth. Scrape up any browned bits that are on the bottom of the pot, and then we're gonna go in with the potatoes. I happen to have Yukon Gold potatoes, which worked perfectly fine here, but the recipe calls for 3 cups of russet potatoes that have been peeled, halved lengthwise, and then sliced into like a 1/2 to 1/4 inch thick slices. You wanna bring the pot to a boil and then reduce the heat to medium-low and just let it simmer for about 30 minutes so that the potatoes are cooked through and nice and softened. Then we're gonna add the kale. I like to buy just packaged kale because it's already clean, it's already free of all those thick woody stems, and it's ready to go, chopped, all good. You're gonna need about 3 to 4 cups of fresh kale that's been chopped. I always lean towards 4 cups because it wilts and cooks down in the soup, and I just love that extra texture in this soup. Once that's starting to cook down, you're gonna add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is what's gonna make the soup kind of have a creamier texture without being super thick. It's just such an excellent soup. Now at this point, you want to flavor the soup with maybe some red pepper flake. If you like it spicy, add a lot of red pepper flakes. And then maybe some cracked black pepper, and the soup is ready to go. Our Zuppa Toscana is done, and it smells delicious. It is so hearty. It is full of those potatoes, full of sausage and kale. I added a little red pepper flake and cracked black pepper at the end for a little seasoning. But with this recipe, you definitely want to wait until the end to add any salt. So I'm going to give it a little taste. I have a little bit portioned out here so I can taste it and see if I want more salt. Ooh, it's so hot. I'm definitely going to add just a couple sprinkles of salt. Let that sit in there, and then we're gonna have this for dinner. So I hope that you make this for dinner in your kitchen, and that it helps you feel like a success at dinner time. We'll see you next week.